Hey guys, so I just got these pills, and these are kind of a special formula vision protection complex. And so it's a science-based dietary nutrition kind of pill here. And it's got everything I can see on the ingredients here. It's got vitamin C powder, vitamin E oil, crocin extract, lutein oil, zeaxanthin oil, and astaxanthin oil. And so it says serving size is 1 soft gel, and there's 120 of these in here. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys, so it's nice and sealed, and I wanted to just show you guys kind of what one looks like. So this is what they look like. This is the size of it. It's a dark pill, and I mean, yeah, so that's how it is. And it says, as a dietary supplement, take 1 soft gel daily, preferably with meals or as directed. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys what they look like, give you the rundown of it, and yeah, so that's what these are. Thumbs up.